L'italiano Vero, today's lesson. It is also known as Lasciatemi Cantare. At the end of the video, I will play the song completely. When you finish learning, practicing the song, you can play it with me. And you can make video, post it on Instagram or Facebook or TikTok as you like, but please mention the hashtag Learn Violin with Lucy, and I will be very happy to see your performance. So let's learn this song in D minor. It has Si bemol, and this song has a swing feeling. It's all because of the triplets, which contain long short note combinations. In this song we will see many times D minor arpeggio and other arpeggios also. I will make video special for arpeggios and inversions and how to play it on the violin in my next video. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel so you get notified about my upcoming video and you don't miss it. Our first phrase in the song is D minor arpeggio in second inversion. Let's see what are the notes. We start first finger La on G string, Re, Fa on D string, open string and second finger, and then La, open A string. Up bow, then Si bemol, first finger on A string, Si bemol, La, Fa, Re. Up bow, D open string, Re, Fa, La, Re. Again D minor arpeggio. E open string and Fa first finger on E string. Mi, Fa, Mi, Re. Fa first finger on E string, Mi, open E string, and Re third finger on A string, all of them with the same pattern. Let's see it. Sol, La, Si, La, Sol, Fa. Sol third finger on D string, and then we continue on A string. Sol, La, Si, La, Sol, Fa. Sol, Sol, La, La. Up bow, we start La, G string, first finger, Do diez. Third finger on G string, open distances, all fingers are open. La, Do diez, Mi. Mi, first finger on D string. La, open A string. Si bemol, La, Sol, Mi. Now fourth finger, A string, it is Mi. Now Sol, second finger on E string. All the same pattern. Sol, Mi, Do diez. On D string, third finger, Sol. Sol, La, Si, La, Sol, Fa, Sol, Sol, La, La. Again up bow, Re, Fa, La. Re, Fa, La, Do. We start on D string, open string. Re, third finger on A string, Re, Mi, Re, Do. Do, Si, La, Si, Do, Si, La. All on A string. We start second finger. La, Sol, Fa. And La, Fa, Mi, Re. La, Fa, Mi, Re. On D string, we start fourth finger. Now the chorus. Lasciatemi cantare. Fa, first finger on E string. Fa, 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 mi, re, si bemolle. Re, fa, mi, re, la. Third finger on A string. La, do, si, la. Open A string. Mi, fa, sol, la, do, si, la. Repeat the chorus. Longer la and la, fa, mi, re, fourth finger. Let's play the song from the beginning. Please don't forget to make the video and mention the hashtag Learn Violin with Lucy so I can see the results of this video. Thank you.